my name is JL, the Anti-Guru, and I want to congratulate you on making it to this page. In just a few moments, my business partner, Chuck Jones, is going to explain to you how you can earn a profitable living as a Clickfunnels affiliate.
Hi, my name is Chuck Jones, affiliate marketer and digital marketer with chuckjonesmarketing.com. And today I want to share with you a very lucrative affiliate program that you can be a part of. Right now, if you are looking for a way, the most fastest, most lucrative way to start making money online, then what I'm going to share with you is a program that Clickfunnels has put together. They have a very lucrative affiliate program that you need to consider. So what I'm going to do is walk you through the process of why affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically where you are promoting something that is in high demand. It has to be in high demand. So what makes this program so lucrative is this. This is a software that is a funnel building software. Funnels are like having the best salesperson on earth that walks your prospects through the process of showing them exactly what your customer would need. Okay? So this software is the #1 funnel building software in the world. This program is for free. And it has an extensive training program with 15 of the top 6- and 7-figure affiliate marketers that have taken their part-time income and gone full-time and made a full-time career as an affiliate marketer promoting Clickfunnels software. Now, Clickfunnels can be used to help every business owner, every affiliate marketer, every entrepreneur. For instance, a real estate agent. A real estate agent needs leads. So we build funnels that would help a real estate agent actually solve their problem. So with that said, I want you to realize that why should you consider this type of program? Well, one of the reasons would be is that you're not selling a physical product like a weight loss something. You got to convince or sell a product like that that is in need, of course. But then here's the problem. If you could get into an affiliate program that would automatically have a product that is in high demand, I mean, every business owner needs this software. It will help them generate leads, generate customers. This is what every business needs. So this is why this program is so lucrative. So putting together a program that would allow training, and I mean extensive training. You're getting the actual blueprint of how to go from zero to hero, for instance. So inside this training, it's a lot. But here's what you'll understand. You will resonate with one thing or another, like that person. This person does it different from that other person. As me being an affiliate marketer, I do marketing different from the other people. But I've learned something from all 15 of these are super affiliates. So if you want to get into affiliate marketing the right way, then now the best way to do is get a mentorship, get in a program that has mentorship, and follow that program to the T. That means that they are showing you exactly how to be successful. You don't have any guesswork at it. Okay? So what I'm walking you through today is a chance to get into this affiliate program. I'm going to show you exactly how to use the funnel that you are on right now and set it up to promote to other people. Okay? Inside of this, I'm going to show you what other people have made. I'm going to show you exactly what I've made with it. All of this. Okay, so if you can resonate with this, then go ahead and click the button below, and we're going to show you exactly how to get started. Watch Russell Brunson explain what this program is all about on the next page. Hey, again, my name is Chuck Jones. You can visit my blog at chuckjonesmarketing.com. I hope that you can resonate with this. I'm here to help you if you want to start learning how to make money as an affiliate marketer online. All right, God bless you. Click the button below, and we're going to show you how to get started. Thank you for watching.